Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add Google reviews on your website in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website inside his Hostinger website builder, and to add a Google reviews section, first I will create a blank section. So just hover between two sections, you will see this add section button. Click on it, select add blank section. Now we have space to add our Google reviews on. Now click on add element and look for this embed code element and drag and drop it just like that. Now keep this window open and head over to this website called elfsite.com. Let's zoom on the website name. This is it. Just look for this website name on Google and you will find it, or just type it directly, elfsite.com. Now go to widget from the top, go to widget, and below reviews, look for Google reviews. Click on it. You will arrive at this page. Click on create widget for free. As you see, no credit card needed. Here, select your Google reviews template. This is a small one. This is a well-detailed Google reviews template. This one grid with AI summary. I'm not sure if AI helps with these reviews, and this one is minimalistic. Now there are many floating widgets. This one, I think it keeps floating as your website scrolls the page. This one comes with photos. You can select from multiple Google reviews templates. This one is a dark floating badge, and this one works as a good fits as a sidebar. Now let's use the first carousel widget. This is it. Now click on continue with this template. Here you need to fill in your business name and address. For example, Brooklyn Museum, New York, 200 Eastern Parkway. Or use a Google Maps link if no physical address is available. For example, this is a Google Maps link. Let's look for example, a barber shop. Let's say this is your barbershop location on Google Maps. Click on share and copy this link just like that. Head over here and paste your link. Hit search. This is our business location. You will start seeing your business Google reviews. Now click on filters. The first filter you can apply is showing reviews without text. Here, if you click on it, you will start seeing also reviews without links. You can limit showing reviews with 5 stars at least, 4 stars, 3 stars, or show any rating or show any Google review. Now you can also edit the total number of reviews to show. You can limit, for example, let's say I only want to show 10 Google reviews. You can select it from here or go with all Google reviews. You can exclude reviews by adding a filter. You can hide reviews with, for example, let's say, for example, a fake word. Click on write fake and add filter. Now all reviews that has the word fake will be excluded. You can also delete this exclude rule. You can also apply an include reviews filter. For example, I only want to show reviews that say, for example, best. Click on add filter, and as you see, the first review, this is best, best, and so on. You can also delete this review just like that. After filters, you can also set your sorting rules. For example, you can show reviews starting from the most recent first, or show them randomly. I will keep it most recent first. Click on back. Now click on this add to website for free. They are now saving your widget. Now click on this publish button. Now click on this publish button. Select your free plan. It's enough. There is a account sign in or sign up step that you didn't see in this tutorial, because I already have an account with this website. When you arrive at the sign up step, don't worry, it's super simple. Just you can sign up using your own email address or using your Google account or your Google Gmail account. It's super simple and free, so don't worry. Sign up like you do with all websites available online and arrive to this step. Now, to add Google reviews to your website on Hostinger Website Builder, click on copy code. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, to add Google reviews to your website on Hostinger Website Builder, click on copy code and head back to Hostinger Website Builder. Select this embed code element, click on enter code, delete this default code like that, and paste your code from here. Give it a little bit of time to show up. Now don't forget to update your website to publish these Google reviews. Now let's view my website live. And this is how to add Google reviews to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.